Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you about careers in design versus careers in FEA. So, one of my social media connections asked me to write about this, hence I am making this video. So, let us compare on different parameters. The first parameter is pay. FEA engineers on an average are paid more than the design guys, but after after say 10 years of experience, this difference becomes negligible. Opportunities. The number of openings for design engineers are about 10 to 20 times that of FE engineers. So finding a job if you lose one can be much faster if you are in the design department. Replaceability. FEA guys are more difficult to replace than design guys as the number of experienced FEA guys in the industry is much smaller compared to the number of designers. Career progression. I have seen that the design engineers move forward in their careers much faster because unlike the FEA guys who have to give the 100% of time to learning FEA analysis alone, the design engineers have more time to develop other skills like product knowledge, interpersonal skills, problem solving skills, networking, etc. So what happens? Let me go to the next point. Intellectual satisfaction. FEA has a greater potential to satisfy the intellect, but as far as I know, hardly anyone seeks that in the jobs. Rewards. By rewards, I mean the rewards given by the employer. I have seen designers get rewarded more than the FEA guys. I believe it is because the designers add more commercial value to the product than the FEA guys. FEA guys are only the value retainers mostly. Interesting work. So FEA work appears more interesting and it is potentially more interesting if you really take a liking to the work. But tight deadlines and other tensions can often reduce this joy to a great extent. Product knowledge. Designers have a better product knowledge than FEA engineers. So this is one of the reasons I believe that the designers progress in their career farther and faster than the FEA guys. Sophisticated work. FEA appears more sophisticated than design mainly because they deal with all sorts of plots, graphs, and technical terms. Technical uncertainties. Here, if you see design, there is a definite input and a definite process and a definite output. But the same cannot be said for FEA. A lot of iterations and uncertainties like uh, convergence issues, software issues, etc., are encountered in FEA. So, FEA has more uncertainties than design. Job satisfaction. Here, I have not seen much of a difference between an FEA guy or a design guy. Uh, Intelligence. Here, I would like to make a point that is not very popular and it may be a little bit surprising also. I believe designers do more intelligent work than the FEA guys. The FEA guys have to give everything to get the modeling right, whereas the design guys have a scope for doing some creative work and doing some intuitive work. In terms of future overseas education, many people who have worked in FEA have secured more benefits for MS abroad than the design guys. So summary. So let me summarize by saying, on an average, the FEA engineer enjoys more in the first 10 years of his career. But after the first 10 years of his career, it is the design guys who have a better pay, a better position, and a better and more secure position also. So whether you want to go for FEA or design depends on your objectives. I believe personally that if you do not go into FEA unless you have a passion for computational engineering, otherwise, it can become a pain after more than 10 years in the field. Thank you, friends.